Hi, so today we'll be looking into ad hoc on demand distance vector AODV. My name is Rahul Nambiar. What is AODV? An ad hoc on demand distance vector is a routing protocol designed for wireless and mobile ad hoc networks. This protocol establishes routes to destination on demand. It supports both unicast and multicast routing. The AODV protocol builds routes between nodes only if they are requested by source nodes. AODV is therefore considered an on-demand algorithm. It does not create any extra traffic for communication along links. The routes are maintained as long as they are required by the sources. They also form trees to connect multicast group members. AODV makes use of sequence numbers to ensure route freshness. They are self-starting and loop-free besides scaling to numerous mobile nodes. Since my laptop is Windows running on Windows, so I'll be using an Ubuntu VM. NSG is used for the creation of TCL file and NS2 is for the simulation. Now we'll move to the demo. So I have already started my Ubuntu machine, and first we will start the NSG. So when it is started, we'll see a blue screen, and here under the scenario, we will select the new wired scenario, wireless scenario, wireless. Okay, so this is the node part. So we'll select three nodes. Second node is here, and the third node we will select here. Okay, so we will select TCP Reno, and we will select TC. We'll put this like this, and then in the destination node we will place our TCP sync. Okay, and then we will connect the TCP source to the TCP sync. Yes, that is done. Now application is FTP type, so FTP is also selected, and the start time can be 1 itself, and here we can put some time. Okay, we'll go to parameters. We'll select we'll change the name to ADODV.tr. Out.nam also will change to AODV.nam. Then in the wireless section, we'll keep everything the same. And here DSDV, we will select AODV. And in the channel part, we are all keeping all the default things. So this is done. Now next what we'll do is we will try to transfer the nodes. So let us go to the node part. We will right click this and waypoint. Let the starting point be 0 itself, or maybe we can put 5. Let the destination, we want N1 to move out of the range, so we can put it like 1100 tab 1100. Okay, we can put it 1100 and 100 itself. That won't be a problem. Or we can even put it in the same range. Let us 500 as of the other nodes. That will be fine. Then speed we can put as 5. We'll add it. Okay, we'll add it. That's done. Then what we will try to do is that we'll try to bring N2 into the range of N0 so that the transfer can directly happen. So we'll right click on N2. We'll go to waypoint. Starting point we can put maybe 10. We'll put 10, and in the destination x-axis we can mark it as 350, and this we can put it as 350, and y-axis we can put as 619, and speed we'll put it as 5 itself. Add, done. Okay, so here we can see that we have put 90, so the simulation time should be more than that, so we can put the simulation time as 120 and we will save it. I will click on done and we'll click on TCL. So this is our TCL file that is generated. We can save it. We'll save it with the name AODV. Okay, so this is done. So in the file we can see that AODV.tcl is there. Next what we'll do is that we'll open the NS2. Okay, here we can first clear it and then we can type ns AODV.tcl. Okay, it has opened. Now what we'll do, we'll just increase the speed and we'll play it. Okay, so here it seems there is some problem with the packet forwarding, so we can go to the file section and we'll just open this ADOTCL. Okay, we can go down. We see that as a default this is getting stopped, so what we'll do is that we'll just put hash here so that the stop doesn't work. Then we can try it again. We'll save it, we'll close it, then we'll close this also, then we can try again. Okay, it has come and now we can increase the speed and we can start playing it. So ideally it is like from 0 to 1 the transfer must happen, then 1 to 2, but as 1 moves out and 2 comes closer, 0 to 2 communication should happen directly. So we can see that. Okay, we can see that communication is happening. This is moving out. Now 2 is coming closer. And now we can see that the direct communication between 0 and 2 is happening. So like this is a small example of AODV routing protocol, and here we have used only 3 nodes. Only thing we have done is that we have connected 0 and 2 first, but the communication was happening from 0 to 1 to 2. Like I can show it once again, so we'll go back. Okay, I'm just stopping it. I'll go from beginning. Okay, I'll play. Okay, now we can clearly see that the communication is happening from 0 to 1, and from 1 it is going to 2. I can reduce the speed also a little bit, and then we can again see. Okay, so 1 has moved out of range, and now we can see that 2 is coming closer. I'll just increase a little bit speed. We can see it is coming closer, and when it comes under the range of 0, it will directly transmit to 2 directly. We can see here that the transmission is happening directly. So that's all from my side. Thank you.